Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I love to do a lot of affordable and dollar-oriented makeup and shopping videos. So if that sounds like your thing, you're definitely in the right place. Make sure you take just 1 second and hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way you do not miss a future upload if you enjoy content like this. Become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you are a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for returning for another video. So today's video is a recent Dollar General walkthrough, pretty much of the beauty section, but then I also found a section of the Dollar General where they were selling things for like $1. So there is a section if you're a little upset about the Dollar Tree's prices. I have found not just the Dollar General, but there's also another store, and I have to do a walkthrough of that as well, where you can still find things for $1. But yeah, that would just be fun, walk around the Dollar General and just kind of show you guys kind of the beauty section and the dollar section. So as always, I will have relevant videos and playlists linked down below. That way, if you like this video, there's more content that you can go down there and binge watch. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's walkthrough.